Hello, my name is Arne Spon1 and welcome to the unboxing of Red Dead Redemption 2 uh, Ultimate Edition for Xbox One. Just give me a small second here. There we go. I just got this game. The game got released today. So especially here in Norway, I don't know, yeah, it's worldwide. So I'm kind of excited, because I liked the first one. Kind of like a jump into it. So yeah, I hope I really like it. Anything like, if there's anything like GTA, I really like that one. So we got this cool box. That's just something to have everything inside. And here we got the... yeah, it's an add-on, so I cannot show you the code. So yeah, and that's for all the new stuff. There's just for the Ultimate Collector's Edition. Wow, this is nice. This is a steelbook of steel, and it says Red Dead Redemption there, and you got the giant Rockstar logo. This is very nice. This is actually better than I expected. Wow, I really like this one. That's nice. That's really nice. And just a warning for some retarded reason, I don't know, I might be retarded, so I might need to read it. Map unit states. So here we got the map of the whole world. Ooh, the map. This is nice. And here we got a picture of an old man. I don't know who that is. And this is the world map. Oh my god, this is big. This is really big. Like the one for the one for Skyrim. I don't know if you can see it. My setup here is kind of retarded and small. That's a nice map. I don't know if I can put it up somewhere because I have already something on my walls. But this is nice. And here we got the picture of the inside cities. There we got Los Angeles. Here we got Fort Lauderdale, Germany. Yeah, all the fine states is in USA. So that's nice. Might sound a little retarded too, but that's the thing that comes with age. Where the flyer that I put my knife? I can't find my trusted knife, but if you want to use something like this, you need to ask your parents' permission. If you're over the age of whatnot, and just go for it. Can't find my knife, so you need to improvise. I know this commentary unboxing might be kind of boring, so if you want to put on some music behind, just look at me unboxing this shit and be very happy about it, go for it. I mean, I guess I don't really care. So yeah, here we go. That says Red Dead Redemption on it. It's very nice. If I can do this, like look at it. It's very nice, and the Rockstar logo on back there. I'm sorry about the lighting here. It's because of the screen right there on my camera. Yeah. Oh, flyer. Mother. Okay, so there's another add-on here. The War Horse and the Outlaw Survival Kit. That's an add-on code, so I cannot show you that. But that's nice. That's nice. I'm gonna ride around on the stallion. Look like a Rita while I'm doing it. And here we got... Oh my god, that's another map. Hell yeah. That's a much smaller map, I guess. I'm holding it upside down? No. New Austin Power. I love that movie. But here we go, New Austin Power, and here we got. Here we also got something. We got Kentucky, New Jersey, Ohio, something in the west there, and there we got a little, yeah. If you don't already know, I'm not from the US. I really don't know the states that well. That's why I'm parodying a little. No hate to any from the US or Germany or yeah. No hate to any of them. But here's the games. Games. There's two discs. I don't know. Disc play, and the other is a disc 2. Insert disc 2 second. Flyer. This is like a big game, so you need to play disc 1 and disc 2. Stupid as she devil. She have the devil. Just need to clear out some here. This is quite fast. Just so I could get this. Okay, let me get up here. Let's see what I can do. Zoom in a little. Here we got the game. Can you see it? It's kind of in the middle. Like that. And we fixed the lighting a little. That's beautiful. God damn, I can film. I'm actually kind of stupid, so no, I cannot film. Map. And the second map. And I'm so retarded that I probably showed the downloadable codes. Because why the mother not? But so this is everything in the game collector game box. So we got this. We got the. God, and there's no light there. Okay, we got the steel case, the downloadable, the map, the other downloadable, the big map, the. Be sure to not. And the big box thingy there, I love it. I like it. I like it a lot. Ow! I'm sorry, I'm doing this in my living room. It's not that big because I don't have that much money for it. To get a big filming room, studio / suicidal room. And there's no like jump cuts because I don't have any programs to do that with. The width of the length. But yeah. Let me see if I can just do. This old stands, they belong to my grandpa, and it works out really nice. I don't know if I just need to. Okay. So yeah, a lot of things in this box with this mustache, high noon type of guy. Kind of remind me a little of you know, that dude, that cowboy dude from TV. La 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 la. Yeah, he's a martial artist. I think he died against the fight with that dude. I don't know his name. But here's actually everything from GameStop though. So yeah. Leave a like if you liked it. Leave a dislike if you hate it. I'll get so many dislikes. No likes. If you want to see any other unboxing, leave it in the comment down below. Or if you're on PC, it will be... wait a second, give me a second. Over there, I guess. Or there. One of the two sides. Leave a comment if you want to see unboxing of something else. I have other unboxings, but they have all been opened. So it's kind of a remastered opening, I don't know. But leave that in the comment below. If you wanna... If you subscribe, you get notified and you click the bell icon. You get notified the first time I upload a video like this. I don't know if you really want to do it after seeing this unboxing, because it's boring and bad, because I'm bad at doing this. I don't know cutting programs, so it's pretty bad. So yeah, if you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, say KYS or don't. Fuck my life. See you in the next video if I get anything more. I'll probably unbox a cola next. Bye!